Morning, everybody. It's 8:54 on Friday, the 8th of November. This is your pre-opening comment, and it's going to be a short one because there's nothing going on. Uh, it is video number 2276. So Asia and Europe are both slightly lower, ending the week on a slightly lower level. And as far as the stock futures, the Dow is up 33, the Nasdaq is down 51, and the S&P is down 4. So it's kind of welcome to the first just average unchanged day of the week, election week. Okay, grains are mixed. Corn is up a little, soybeans down a little, wheat is up a little, oil is down $1.29, but still well over 70, 71.06. Heating oil, gasoline, nat gas, all just minorly lower. The gold is down 2.5. The silver is down 3 cents. The copper, which was up 18.5 cents yesterday, has given back about half, down 9.25 right now. Let's see, cotton about unchanged, down 60 cents, just hanging at that $70 area. Coffee down about 7, but still 2.53. Sugar basically unchanged. Cocoa basically unchanged. The dollar is up about 36 cents, even though the bonds are up about 12 30 seconds, or roughly a third of a dollar. And Bitcoin is down 300. It's had a magnificent week, though. I mean, looking at this chart, it's just amazing. Came out of that consolidation, which I called a bull flag, with all of these higher lows, and bouncing on the weekly off this orange line, which is the 50-week MA. The first day that we closed on the downtrend line was the last day that we were anywhere near it, and we are at new all-time highs here. MACD is still widening to the upside after the positive crossover back here at 65,000. Again, I don't see any reason for this to stop before about 85,000, so about 10,000 higher than where we are now. The reason for today's relative quietness is there's no economic news. Everything that was in question is now known. We had the rate increase yesterday. Powell's, very milquetoast conversation with at the press conference, and we have no economic news with the exception of October University of Michigan consumer sentiment, but that doesn't come out for another hour and 2 minutes at 10 o'clock. Treasury yields are slightly lower. The 10 years down 4 basis points, 2 years down 3 basis points. The spread there is back to a positive 11. In corporate news, we have Arista Networks, which beat by 32 cents, beat on revenue, and guided above consensus, and the stock is 410, and it's down $21 or 5%. Airbnb missed by a penny, revenues in line and guidance in line. 137.02 down 10.35 or 7%. Pinterest beat by 6 cents, reports revenues in line, guidance fourth quarter revenues in line. 29.73 down over $4 or 12.5%. This is the problem with having stocks that just ran with the market and are not putting out monumental earnings beats and big consensus guidance. Dkng, 37 and change, down almost $2 or 5%. They missed by 19 cents, missed on revenues, lowered revenues below consensus, and guided next year's revenues just in line. Rivn missed by 12 cents and missed on revenue, $10 down a nickel. Fortinet, which is cybersecurity, they beat by 11 cents, beat on revenues, guided above consensus, and the stock is 64.70, and that is up $9.20 or 16%. And Expedia, which also beat but missed on revenues, announces that Julie Whalen, the CFO, is going to step down. Never a good thing when you lose a CFO. And guides their fourth quarter gross bookings of 6 to 8%, which is better than prior expectations. The stock is 177.5. That's up $3.37. Nasdaq now down about 57, Dow up about 30, S&P down about the same 3 as it was before. All right, folks. Hope everyone had a good week, and I'll be back Monday.